Hi, I just wanted to show my Tetris game in the Windows console. So pressing spacebar can start. So use E to rotate, Q to rotate the other way, A and D to go left and right, and S will just put you down straight to the bottom. Easy enough. So this is literally just a normal game of Tetris, only built in the Windows command prompt console. This was written in C++, and it's using a small game engine that I made, which basically just deals with the rendering onto on the console itself, and it's used on a few other projects I made, also written in C++. So I'm going to see if I can try and get a line here quickly. Remove a line that is. There we go. So I should move the line, and you can see I've now got two lines and level 1 score and whatnot. So, I completely messed that one up. So basically each one of these sort of squares, so I just put, I'll explain that in a second. So see right here where my mouse is, these two brackets is technically one square, and each one of these squares is its own object. This is so when when they actually hit the bottom here, when I remove a line, I can demonstrate it better. See if I can quickly get one, hopefully. Yeah, so you can see that the remaining objects, so the remaining squares from the object just fell are still here. It's like for this one would have been the 4 tool one. So basically it keeps the remaining squares when the other ones disappear. That's why they're all different objects basically. So yeah, you can also use escape to pause. So the last little feature of any other Tetris game is you can actually hold one block, or one shape, sorry. So this is done by pressing spacebar. You see I've actually already accidentally held one here. So I press spacebar, you'll see it switches out to the one that's held, and the one that was previously there is now placed here. And this can be done once for each one. So for example, if I now decide to switch to this red one, let me do that again, sorry. So I now decide to switch to that yellow one. You can see I can't actually switch back no matter how many times I press spacebar, because you can only do it once. So as soon as I drop this one at the bottom, just get it in there we are. You can see I can now actually switch back. Yeah. So that's the game. Also, I should probably mention when you come to the end of the game, so when you hit the top, you can see, I don't know where it came from, but you can see it just says press to reset, escape to reset, and it just starts a new game. Easy as. So I also have some videos from, 1 second, from the development, which I just happen to have laying around. I'm not entirely sure why, but it's really big, it's just made it a bit smaller, so it's not blurry. But you can see sort of the back end of the actual game itself has sort of its own table. So this is what you see on the front, this is sort of the invisible back, where it has its own sort of table of everything is. So this is basically how the game sees it, this one here. And also I should have another one right here with a bit more of a game on it. So yes, this is what the game sees, so when it will get a line, hopefully I should be one in this video. Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, as it comes down, you can see these two. Let's take it back for 1 second. You can see basically once all these become full, it just removes them. So when one line becomes full, it gets removed and brings all the others down. So the other video I have was from a little further in development. You can see I had a different design, not quite as pretty. Let's try this one, sorry. Yeah, it's just continuing. This is mainly just testing the next preview one. So you can see the red will come up next, and the same with the hold, as it is in the actual game itself. You can see that the preview box is still here. I didn't actually mention it last time, but it just shows you what's coming up next. And yeah, that's it. So thank you.